Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today we're looking at one of Dreame's newest fully automated floor cleaning systems designed for users who want extreme suction, intelligent navigation, and true hands-off maintenance. This is the Dreame L50 Ultra Robot Vacuum and Mop White, a next-gen cleaning robot built to deliver deep cleaning with almost zero daily effort. The L50 Ultra features an impressive 19,500 Pa HyperStream suction system, giving it one of the strongest suction performances in its class. This high airflow design pulls out dust, crumbs, and embedded debris from carpets while keeping hard floors spotless. Dreame also equipped this model with the HyperStream Detangling DuoBrush, which automatically prevents hair from wrapping around the brushes, making it ideal for pet owners or households with long hair. You get consistent cleaning without constantly cutting tangled strands. The auto-empty base is a major highlight. After each run, the robot returns to the tower where the system automatically empties the dustbin, cleans the mop pads, and prepares the robot for the next session. This includes mop self-cleaning, ensuring the pads are scrubbed and refreshed before the next cycle. With this level of automation, you can go for weeks without touching the robot. Precise obstacle avoidance enhances its reliability. Using advanced sensors and recognition algorithms, the L50 Ultra can detect and maneuver around cables, toys, shoes, and small household objects without bumping or dragging anything. Its navigation system maps your home accurately, delivering optimized routes, room-by-room cleaning, and targeted dirt removal. Edge cleaning is another strong point. The system uses optimized mop pressure, water flow control, and intelligent pathing to maintain consistency across different floor types. You can customize your cleaning through the app, adjust suction, select rooms, set schedules, manage map zones, and tweak mop intensity. Voice assistants add extra flexibility for hands-free commands. Overall, the Dreame L50 Ultra is engineered for users who want powerful suction, advanced AI navigation, and true self-maintenance. From the HyperStream DuoBrush to its auto-empty base and precise obstacle avoidance, this robot is designed to deliver dependable, daily cleaning with minimal effort. If you're ready to upgrade your home cleaning setup, check out the link in the description and don't forget to subscribe for more daily tech reviews.